3 traits that will attract more money into your life. And you won't believe kung ano ang number 1. Number 3, generosity. God loves a cheerful giver. And science has already proven that generous people on average makes more money because they are happy. And happier people, they are more productive. Number 2, patience. Greedy people try to get rich quick and they don't realize that they are headed to poverty. Hey, kapatid, kung gusto mong yumaman ng mabilis, there is nothing wrong about that one. But hasty shortcuts will always lead you to poverty. Number 1, purpose. If you earn money with a purpose, then that is a blessing. Pero if you earn money without a purpose, then that is just a distraction. If you chase money without a purpose, para mo lang hinahabol ang hangin. You will never be able to catch the wind. Kaya kapatid, find your purpose. See you on my next video.